Good morning, everybody. It's April 14th, and I will explain today's homework for the students who won't make it into the live lesson in Carolina's room because I know not everybody can make it. Some of you have little kids. So there you go again, how to get to our Avenue homework. Okay, so let me share my screen and then can start. So usually I start with telling you that you have to go to Google and type in avenue.ca. But on the blog for Wednesday, if you look at it, it says that our lesson will be at 9 for both morning and afternoon. But I also put in avenue.ca. So all you have to do, you can click on avenue.ca and it will take you to the website. If you don't want to do that, you can go to Google and in the search put in avenue.ca. So let me click on it and show you what happens. So we get to avenue.ca. This is avenue.ca and this is the homework. Some of the new students ask me, why are we doing this? The IRCC, our founder, the government wants us to all go to avenue.ca. Eventually, all the students, all the schools who are teaching English as a second language, we should go on Avenue. So this is just like for you to practice. So when it comes, you already know what to do. So as you know, this is where we go. And in the top right corner, you have login. If you are on your phone or tablet, I believe you have three lines here. You click on it and you all click on login. So once you clicked on login, then you put in the email address and the password the teacher sent you in Messenger, and then you click on login. Then on the top right corner again, you have classroom, you have binder, you have links and logout. If you go to the classroom, you will go and you can see your homework. If you go to your binder, you will see some of the tests the teacher put there. It's like a virtual electronic binder on the internet. The teacher tries to put all your tests and assignments in there. So if you are going to Amazon, you can Avenue, you can check what kind of assignments you have. But let's go and see our homework for today. So I click on the classroom, and then this one comes up. Multicultural Council of Windsor and Essex, link 2. You click on the course, and then these are the lessons we did. About 10 of you who have more help at home, who are a little bit stronger in their English, they did lesson 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about it, that you can still look at them if you want. I left it there for you. But this week's lesson is household problems, lesson number 4. So let me make it bigger for you so you can see it. So lesson number 4 from April 12 to 15 is here. Okay, so then I can click on this week's lesson and I put different ones. So you don't have to say, oh, I did my homework. These are extra ones. So these are a little bit different from the ones that I have on the blog for everybody else. Okay, so we have household problems, lesson 4. And here now I put a book. So you can click on try these household problems, skill building, and even if the picture is the same, the first exercise will be a little bit different. So the picture is the same, but you have 5 questions here. You remember for the blog, for everybody in the classroom, you had 10 questions, but here you have an extra 5. So look at the pictures and answer the question. Who can fix the broken pipe? A plumber. And please don't put a full stop at the end because it's not the sentence. What is the problem number 3? You can look at number 3. All you have to do, just copy the roof is leaking. And the same way as you did for everything else, when you are done, write it in your notebook, take a picture, send it back to me in Messenger, and then I know that you did the exercises in Avenue. What can a roofer fix? A roof. So a roofer fixes a roof, okay? So these are a little bit different. Who can fix the water heater? The water heater is not a plumber. It should be a repair person. Here, number 10, repair person. Okay, and who can fix a broken lock? Everybody knows a locksmith, sorry. So there is exercise number 2 at the bottom. You can click on exercise number 2, and then we have exercise number 2 with this. All you have to do, write the number in your notebook and then the problem, and then just send it back. All I'm asking you, put as a title elements of housing complaints, so I know which exercise you are doing. Elements of housing complaints. Number 1, this would be leaking roof. Number 2, cracked walls. Number 3, electrical problems, and so on. You have, I believe, 11. Okay, 11. 11 is a messy room because you don't have messy, or it could be even clutter. This is a messy room, sorry. Number 9 is messy room, and number 11 would be clutter. Clutter meaning many, many things in one little space. So this 11 would be clutter. Okay, when you finish with this one, you can click on this one. That takes you here again. It's the same thing. Let's take that out. Oh, sorry, I signed out. I clicked away. Okay, let me log in again. Sorry, I signed out by mistake. And if you put remember me on your computer or laptop or tablet, then next time you don't have to go through everything. So I click on the classroom again. I click on link 2, level 2, and then let's go back to household problems. And we already did the first one. Okay, we are here. The book. We already did this one, I explained. Then we go exercise number 2. I explained this one. I go exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is this one, household problems, matching. I'm not putting this one up for everybody, only for the students who go to Avenue. So you can click on this picture and it will take you to live worksheets, and you know how to do this. You click here, and then let's see what this is. It says this one, I can make it a little bit bigger. So you look at the picture, this should be ceiling. The ceiling is leaking. And of course, the teacher who did this forgot to put the full stop. Okay, let me do one more. This one would be the faucet is leaking and full stop at the end. It's not your fault. It's somebody who made it, unfortunately, forgot to put the full stop, the Tika. Okay, so this is exercise number 3. And when you finish with all this, we can go back to, at the top, we should have it here, household problems. And then we already finished the book. Now you have another one with a box, a gift box, okay? I know it's not your birthday, but you can still try. So you click on the box, and these are the exercises. This is more like a listening. Listen to the audio, answer the questions. So you listen. Okay, so if you listen, I believe that it will be, they are looking at an apartment, you click on it, and then you say, okay, and then you go to the next one. Again, you listen. Maybe they want to buy it, maybe they want to rent it. I'm not sure. Yeah, they want to rent it. Okay. Next, you listen more, and then you do this. Once you finish this, at the top, you should have exercise number 2. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see number 2. Number 2. What you have to do in number 2, that's not a listening, or you have to type here the correct answer. Okay, type the correct answer. And then you can listen again and do this if you want. Okay, so when you listen, then you just type in the correct answers. When you are done, you can check your answers. We didn't do much, so 33, we say okay, and then you can go to the next exercise. Let's see exercise number 3. And remember, you can skip exercise number 3. It's a little bit harder, but all you have to do here, it says click on a number in the puzzle. And then it says a person who owns a house or apartment and rents it to other people. That will be the landlord. All you have to put here, landlord, and click enter, and then it will write it here. If you don't know how to do this, you can skip this exercise, you can go to the next one, but if you have help at home, you can try. Okay, let's click on number 2. Resulted from something. Inspect, happened, okay? And number 2 would be happened. So all these words, inspect, everywhere, happened, landlord, oven, and bake will be here. Okay, it gives you this. So you can enter and there you go, happened. You already have 2. Okay, let's look at the next exercise, exercise number 4. Okay, again, what does it say? Listen and answer each question. So you have to listen to this and click on the thing that is not working. I have to make it smaller so you can see it. So we have a fridge, we have a toilet, we have an oven. Okay, let me click on the player. It said, excuse me, the fridge is not working. So all you have to do, click on the fridge, and then it says, okay, go to the next one. And see this one. It says, excuse me, there is no smoke alarm in the apartment. So you click on the smoke alarm, okay, and next. And you listen. The next one, let's see, next exercise, exercise number 5. Read each question, click on your choice. Find the oven. Which one is the oven? This one. This is very easy. Okay. Next one. Find the no smoking sign. This is the no smoking sign. So you have morning stuff, you have listening stuff, you have reading stuff, you have everything in this one. Okay, and number 6, the last exercise for here. Listen to the conversation and choose the missing words. Let's do one for you. Okay, so it says, excuse me, the fridge isn't working. And the man says, okay, I can have it fixed. So we can put it here, excuse me, but the fridge isn't working. There you go. And the landlord says, okay, I can have it fixed. So you listen again, and then you do the next one, okay? All you have to do, you don't have to know the spelling, just click here and click on the word that you heard. Okay, so that will be it. The extra practice for the students who can get to it, to avenue.ca. And I will have the lesson at 9 o'clock for the other students, and I will try to explain it for them there. Okay, so see you everybody tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the morning students, 10 o'clock for the afternoon students. Good luck with your avenue. Try it out. Sooner or later, we'll have to go on it. Okay? Bye, everybody. I hope this helped.